Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you Hangover, which is a emulation layer based on Wine to run Windows application and games on Linux. So Hangover is specifically for ARM Linux, and assuming that you have Box64 or Fex-Emu installed, then it should be quite easy to install it. So yeah, if you're running on an Ubuntu based distribution, then installing Fex-Emu is quite simple. Just execute this command and it will walk you through the installation of Fex-Emu. Now, if you download Hangover, so I just went with Ubuntu 24.04, and if you extract it, then it will look like this, and then you can follow the instructions to install it. So that's just this command. And from there, it should be possible to start testing it. Now there are instructions for DXVK, DirectX running through Vulkan. I'm not really sure if I followed the procedure correctly, but so far I wasn't able to get that working. But yeah, it's not necessary to do those steps for a first test. Now, as you can see here, I'm running Armbian 26.2.1. So that's based on Ubuntu 24.04, Linux kernel 6.18.10. And from this configuration, you can see it's the Rockchip RK3588. So recently there was a fan-made Tomb Raider game, side-scroller edition. Unfortunately, there's only a Windows executable, but it is possible to run it with Wine or with Hangover. Now, unfortunately, the performance is not that good, at least not at the moment for me. And that's also one of the reasons that I was looking at DXVK. So hopefully in the future that I'm able to get things running faster. And the other game that I want to show you is Smokin Guns, which is based on the Quake 3 engine. It's a standalone game. And well, I don't know if it's just bad luck, but at the moment I wasn't able to get the website running, so I'm accessing through the Wayback Machine from the Internet Archive, and I also went with the OS Independent Archive, and I tried to get it working with IO Quake and Open Arena, but I have the suspicion that if you don't have the full commercial game files, that you need to do some steps to make things work. And in the end, I just started the Windows executable. So, if we go here, so let's just say Tomb Raider. So if you extract it, should be here, and then you can start it like this. I think it's like this. Yep. Now I'm running with the default settings and it's not running smooth, and you can see some graphics glitches. But let's try to play the game. So at the moment it's not the smoothest experience, but again, will investigate if I can try to get it running at a higher frame rate.
Welcome back to my humble abode. Feel free to take a look around. I can make a jump like that, no problem.
Oh. Let's see. What if we... No, I don't want to do that. Yeah, let's do that again.
Welcome back to my humble abode. Feel free to take a look around. I can make a jump like that, no problem.
Okay, so... Well, I have the suspicion that you can get up there, but yeah, I'm not really used to the controls, so...
Let's go into the gym. Those of you who've been here before may notice the new decor. What do you think? Well, let's do some exercise. To get to those really high places, sometimes I'll need to climb. Let's try that now.
Oh. So again, I will still try to find a way to get this running a bit faster, and but it is nice to see that we can get it started. So let's try Smokin Guns. That one will run a lot smoother. So I think it's really a fresh take on the Quake 3 engine. So if we look at the settings, 800 by 600, high quality. I just left everything default. And let's try to play the game. And with this command in the console, you can show the frames per second. And with the middle mouse button, you can open the door. Let's see if that works. Oh, oh well. I think I have to look at the controls, how to reload and those kind of things. But yeah. So far, I never tried anything with Wine, and in this case Hangover, but yeah, it's not that complicated to get started with that, but I also looked at some other tutorials and things like wine tricks and those kind of things, so I think I have a lot of homework to do, but at least getting things working, I've made the first step now, and hopefully I can improve things with DXVK and wine tricks. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.